Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install iOS 26 on any iPhone. So guys, if you're using any iPhone like iPhone 7, 8, X or XS or up to iOS iPhone 16 Pro Max, so in this tutorial I will show you the unique method that you have never ever know. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, everyone knows that you can update your iPhone from this tab, but in this tutorial I will show you the another method. The another method is you have to open Safari, and guys, after opening your Safari browser here, I will show you that you need to search here betaprofiles.dev. Here is the option, click on it. So scroll it down, and here is the option of developer. Click on it and you will see latest launched beta profile here. So still when I have making this video, iOS 26 not have not launched yet. So when iOS 26 launched, then you will see here. So guys, after that you will see install button below the iOS 26 beta profile. Click on your install button, click on install, and you have to click on allow. And after this you can see profile has been downloaded. So simply you have to go back, open your settings, and after this here you will see profile downloaded. Click on it and you will see here is the option. So simply you have to click on install button, and after this you can easily install iOS 26 on any iPhone, even not supported. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.